Hello everyone. Welcome to Global Visa Japan. My name is Toshiyasu Uehara. I'm a Japanese immigration lawyer and Canadian immigration consultant. In today's video, I'll explain the basics of Japanese work visas. If you are planning to work in Japan, start a business, or hire foreign workers, one of the first questions you will probably ask is, which work visa should I apply for? The answer depends on what you will actually be doing in Japan. Japan has more than 20 different work visa categories. Each one is designed for a specific purpose. Choosing the correct work visa is one of the most important decisions in the immigration process. In this presentation, I will explain how Japan's work visa system works, introduce the major work visa categories, and help you understand which one may be the right fit for your situation. If you are looking for a practical introduction to Japanese work visas, you are in the right place. Let's get started. This presentation is based on our guide, the Complete Japanese Work Visa Guide, available on the Global Visa Japan website. Rather than focusing on one specific visa, this guide gives you an overview of the Japanese work visa system. Once you understand the overall framework, it becomes much easier to identify the category that best matches your situation. But before we discuss the different work visa categories, let's first walk through the application process. The process shown here is a typical process for people coming to Japan to work. First, in most cases, the Japanese employer or sponsoring organization applies for a certificate of eligibility, often called a COE. After the COE is issued, the applicant applies for a visa at a Japanese embassy or consulate general outside Japan. After the visa is issued, the applicant travels to Japan. At the airport, an immigration officer grants landing permission and confirms the applicant's status of residence. For mid to long-term residents, a residence card is usually issued at major airports such as Narita or Haneda. The decision tree shown here is designed to help you narrow down your options. The first step is to think about what you'll actually be doing in Japan. For example, are you planning to start or manage a business? Will you be transferred from an overseas office to a Japanese branch? Will you work in a professional position such as engineering, IT, accounting, marketing, or consulting? Or will you work in a designated labor shortage industry under the specified skilled worker system? Once you have identified the options, the next step is understanding the eligibility requirements for each work visa category. The table on the screen summarizes the most common work visa categories in Japan. For example, the engineer specialist in humanities international services category is the most widely used for professionals. In this category, applicants generally need a relevant university degree or equivalent professional experience and a job offer that matches their background. Other major categories include highly skilled professional, business manager, specified skilled worker, intra-company transferee, skilled labor, and many others. Each category has its own eligibility requirements and permitted activities. That is why choosing the correct category before applying is so important. Let's quickly review the key points. First, Japan has many different work visa categories. Each category is designed for a particular purpose. Second, choosing the correct work visa is essential. Third, it's important to understand the eligibility requirements before submitting your application. I hope this presentation has helped you better understand Japan's work visa system. If you'd like to learn more, please visit the Global Visa Japan website, where you will find detailed guides on each work visa category. Thank you very much for watching. If you found this presentation helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more practical information about Japanese immigration. Thank you again. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video.